In this video, I would like to introduce you to a non-traditional strategy known as scratch addition for adding 3 or more add-ins. This is a non-traditional strategy for addition of 3 or more numbers. This strategy helps those students who have trouble adding a column of numbers in their head. How many times have you started to add a column of numbers, lose your thought, and need to start all over? Scratch addition will help alleviate this problem. This strategy involves placing a scratch on a digit every time your sum is greater than 10, writing the amount above 10 next to the scratched number. Add this to the next number, continue until you complete the column. Count your scratches and use this as the value you regroup or carry to the next column. Example 1. Let's take 64 plus 75 plus 25 plus 57 plus 64. First, add 4 plus 5 is 9. Second, add 9 plus 5 equals 14. So we scratch the 5, write 4 to the right of 5. Third, add 4 plus 7, 11. Scratch the 7, write 1 to the right of 7. Fourth, add 1 plus 4 equals 5. Write 5 in the answer. Count scratches, which is 2, and regroup or carry 2 to the tens column. Fifth, add 2 plus 6 equals 8. Sixth, add 8 plus 7 equals 15. Scratch the 7, write 5 to the right of 7. Seventh, add 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then add 7 plus 5 equals 12. Scratch the 5, write 2 to the right. Now add 2 plus 6 equals 8. Write 8 in the answer. Count the scratches, 2, and regroup 2 to the hundreds column. Now bring the 2 down into the answer. So your final answer is 285. And if you would get interrupted as you're adding this, you could always go back to the last scratch and pick up from there instead of going to the very top of the column. Example 2. Okay. First, 6 plus 8 equals 14. Scratch the 8, write 4 to the right. Then 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Scratch the 7, write 5 to the right of 7. Add 5 plus 9 equals 14. Scratch the 9, write 4 in the answer. This time we're going to write the part above 10 in the answer since we're in the bottom of the column. Now count your scratches, 3, regroup 3 to the tens column. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Scratch the 6, write a 1 next to the 6. Now 1 plus 9 is 10, scratch the 9, write a 0. 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 6 is 11, scratch the 6, write 1 in the answer. Count the scratches, 3, regroup 3 to the next column. In the case, just bring the 3 down into the answer. So our answer is 314. This gives you an idea of how to use scratch when you have columns of numbers. This way, if you do get interrupted, you don't have to go back to the top of the column. You can pick up wherever your last scratch was. Example 3. Okay, 7 plus 6 is 13. Scratch the 6, write a 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. Scratch the 9, put a 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Write 6 in the answer. Count the scratches, 2. Regroup 2 to the next column. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Scratch the 7, write a 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Scratch the 5, write a 1 in the answer. Count the scratches, 2, regroup 2 to the next column. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 6 is 15. Scratch the 6, write a 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, write a 7 in the answer. Count the scratches, 1. Bring the 1 down into the next column. So our answer is 1,716. This just eliminates the need to add the entire column, and then we don't even need to add into the 20s, 30s, 40s anymore. We only need to know our basic addition facts. All right, example 4. 5 plus 8 is 13. Scratch the 8, put a 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Scratch the 8, put a 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Scratch the 5, put a 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Write 4 in the answer. Count your scratches. 1, 2, 3. Regroup 3 to the next column. 3 plus 8 is 11. Scratch 8, put a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. Scratch the 6, write a 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Scratch the 4, write a 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Scratch the 2, put a 1 in the answer. Count your scratches. This time there are 4 scratches. Regroup 4 to the next column. 4 plus 7 is 11. Scratch, put a 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. Plus 4 is 13. Scratch the 4, put a 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 7 is 14. Scratch the 7, put a 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Write a 9 in the answer. Count your scratches. 1, 2, 3. Regroup to the next column. In this case, we just bring the 3 down into the answer. So your answer is 3,914. This is known as the scratch strategy. To learn more about this strategy and other addition strategies, get detailed explanations, additional examples, and practice problems, go to Mason's Amazing Math store on Teachers Pay Teachers website. Enter Book 1, Chapter 7 in the search box. Download Book 1, Chapter 7 ebook pages for $1. You'll be amazed at what $1 will buy you. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video and hope it was informative and interesting to you. Thank you.